Good. So guys, part 5, we are doing practices and I gave last time some homeworks to you all. And one of the homework was 9 and B part over here. So let's start doing that. Now, um, this is the question. We have B part over here. Um, yeah. So the rule says that we are doing B part today, okay? Not A part. B part because me has doubt in B part. The rule says that, look, in this question, I told you the base is your hint. That means something raised to 2, something square is 225. What square is 225 in your calculator? Check it. If you want, you can do LCM. If you want, you can do it in a key calculator directly. Something square is 225. What square is 225? Check. Check 7 square, 9 square, 11 square, 12 square, 13 square. Check that. Me, you also check. What square is 225? Because the hint is 3 divided by 2 here. They give us 3 divided by 2. 15 square. So 15 square divided by, I'll pause the recording. Wait, somebody, sorry. Sorry guys, I got a bit got work. So now, okay, next step. Now, tell me, try doing 16 square because they said 289, na? Seems like 16 square should give me 289. What is 16 square?
17 square.
17 squares. So, me says where is 17 square. The whole thing, 3 by 2. Can I write it like this? Then, yes, please go. 15, can I do 15 square multiplied by 3 by 2? The whole thing divided by 17 square multiplied by 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, 2 to cancel. Now, answer is going to be 15 cube divided by what? 17 cube. Put this in your calculator, give me an easy answer. 15 cube divided by 17 cube. Huh? 3375. 3375 divided by 4913. Correct? Okay. They said specifically said without doing calculator. So this 15 cube, you could have done 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15. Okay. 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15. Understood? So Mir, is your doubt clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then somebody said question number 25 or something like that. If I remember 22, 24. I didn't give you 15, 16, 17, 18 as homework, right? Did I? I did not. I will do these again today, by the way, over here. That day, did I make you guys do question 15 here? Anyone? Okay, I did not. Okay, anyway, I'll do them again today. So, somebody said question number 20. Did anyone say question number 20 here? Huh? Huh? 22. Me say 23 and 24. 22, 23, 24 I'll be doing right now, though it was in homework. Which one do you have doubt in? 22. So I'll be doing 22 right now. Boy, where karo? Yasin, homework? That day I spoke with your mom. She was under the impression that you are coming here for study. I did tell her this thing. Did she talk to you anything? Did you say? Did you say? So what is the use of you coming if you do not do my homework? And just editing the class over here. It's not helping. It's not helping at all. Anyway, question number 22, somebody said, no? Question number 22. It's a 2 marks question. Okay. And it's all about show that. Check what did they write? Show that. Show that 2 minus root of x whole square can be written. I know this part most of you might not be able to see properly. So this is 4x raised to minus half. Okay. And x raised to half. 4x plus minus 4 x raised to half. Okay. Let's do this. How to do? There are 2 ways to do this sum. I think while teaching, I showed you guys both the way. Okay, let me show you the one which I would prefer. First of all, you need to open the bracket. Okay. First thing that you need to know, a minus b whole square. Or if you know this from your O level, can be written in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. You guys know this? Everyone knows this? Everyone knows this, yeah? Okay. Now, if I open the numerator part, let's target the numerator part. Can we do? 2 minus root of x whole square. If I open this, it's gonna be 2 square minus 2ab. Understood? See, minus 2ab. What's your a? 2. What's your b? Root of x. So I did that. Plus b square. B square means what? Root of x whole square. Do you understand this, Famida? This was your doubt. Everyone? Shamma? Tanvi? Okay. তুমি কি দেখতেছো ওখানে? তোমার homework? Okay. So now if I open the bracket, I'm gonna get 4 minus 4 root x plus x. Agree or disagree? So this is my numerator. Now I will divide it by root of x. Okay, let me do that with you. The whole thing gets divided by what? Root of x. So instead of writing root of x, can I write x raised to half here? Tell me that. Instead of writing root of x, can I write x raised to half or not? Okay. Then there are two ways. This is the way I always use. 4 divided by x raised to half minus 4 divided by x raised to half divided by x raised to half. You see, root mani to x raised to half, right? So I put x raised to half instead of root. Then plus x divided by key x raised to half. Okay, now you understood now what I did here right now? It's like if somebody gives you 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 3, for example. This can be written in the form of 2 by 3 plus 3 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Understood? So same thing I wrote down here as well. Same story. So what can be done? 4x raised to minus half. Remember I taught you, when you shift denominator to numerator, the sign of the power changes. Remember? Here it is. Now here, this and this gets cancelled. So what are you left with? Minus 4. Then here, plus. There is 1 here, right? If nothing is there, by default, what is there? 1. And there is a half. 1 minus half, because it is division. Remember, indices, we did. 1 minus half is what? Half. So it's going to be x raised to key. And that's what they said us. So that, and we got this. Yes or no? Why am I not getting this suddenly? The setting has changed or something? I don't know. Okay, whatever. Understood? Understood? Online, everyone understood? Mir, Kabir, do you understand these sums? I know you're in between right now. There are 4 videos are there already. Kabir, do you understand? Omar, can you send me homeworks, please? Can you send me the homeworks, Omar? Naira, do you understand? Mir, Kabir, do you understand these things?
Yeah.
Do you need time to do it? You need time to copy it? I'll pause the recording then. Pause, resume. Let's do question number 23 as well. It's a 3 marks question. Copy clipboard. Paste. Zoom in. So you guys can see the letters and everything, na? Projector? Okay, fine. So now, 243 root 3 and 3a. Listen, the hint is equals to 3a. The hint is this 3 itself. The hint is the 3 over here. But yeah, how do you know? Okay, let me show you how it is done. Look, 243, right? Check 3 raised to what is 243 in your calculator? Huh? 3 raised to 5. So 3 raised to 5 is 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to key half equals to 3 raised to what? A. Now, again, these kind of sums you did in your O levels. Okay. Can you add this to and write 5.5 here? Because why? 5 plus half. Because why? They are multiplying. When you multiply, and if you have same numbers, the power gets added up. Yeah. I don't know, for some reason the hand part is not coming today. So I can't seem to show it. You know what? Let me check with this. Okay, there is something wrong. After doing this sum, I'm closing this and I'm starting this again new. Because I can't seem to this dot. Can you guys see this dot? Which is I'm moving around? Okay, but it's really difficult. Okay, anyway. We are writing, na? 3, okay, equals to 3 raised to a. Can you see, therefore, a equals to 5.5? Can we do this? Online? Understood now how I did this over here? Hint was given to me, 3 raised to a. That means has to do something with the 3. 3 raised to something was 243. And root of 3 is 3 raised to half anyway. I'll pause the recording. Do it. So let's do question number 24. Yeah, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2, by the way. Okay, let me just write it so that you guys can see it. 5 by 2. Now, again, this is just like before. Just few moments back, we did this kind of sum. So can we write 4x cubed divided by x raised to half? You know what is x raised to half, right? Because of root x. Plus x raised to 5 by 2 divided by, again, x raised to half. You know it is like that? Everyone understood that? Okay. So now 4 x raised to 3 minus half. Everyone understood why it is 3 minus half? When you bring numerator to, sorry, denominator to numerator, the sign changes. Also, in division, the power gets subtracted. Okay? Plus x raised to 5 by 2 minus half again. So what would you get? End up getting 4 x raised to 2.5 plus x raised to 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5 is 2. Correct? Does it look like exactly like the way they said us to? Can be written in the form of. So therefore you write a equals to what? 2.5. B equals to what? 2. Is this understood? 24. Everyone online, I'm pausing the recording. Please write it down. I would like to hear from online people if you guys understood everything. You guys will go for praying? Anyone? You guys know the place? You will go for praying? Paste. Yeah, after this, I'm passing the just okay, you can leave if you want. Okay, you know what? Pray and come. Then only. Go pray and come. I'll pause the recording. Everyone go. So hi. I left this in between for prayers. Now the prayer is over. So let's start doing this sum. So this is how you guys would do this sum. There are many ways actually. Okay, one of the ways you can cross multiply this root 3 on the other side. So this is how it would look like. 8 plus x root 2. The whole thing is getting multiplied by what? Root 12, no? Sorry. Root 12, whole thing is getting multiplied by root 3 equals to 8x. This is method number 1, by the way. Okay. Now, if I open the bracket, it becomes 8 root 3 plus x 36. Yeah. 3 12s are root 2 into root 3 is what? Root 36. Okay. Equals to 8x. Now, 8 root 3 plus x root 36. 6 6 is 36. Yes. Can we write 6x over here? Correct. Equals to what? 8x. So now 8 root 3 equals to koto 2x because 6x over here. 8 minus 6x is what? 2x. Okay. So x equals to 8 root 3 divided by 2. 8 root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, answer is 4 root 3. You guys got this? Everyone online? Do you understand this? Everyone. I really want to know that. I'll pause the recording, do it, and let me know. Then I'm going to show method number 2 as well. This is method number 1. This is I did with method number 1, by the way. Let me just write it down. Wait. Method 1. Okay. We can do another method as well where we can use rationalization. Here we use what? Cross multiplication. Okay. I'll pause the recording and I will show you another method as the recording. So now we will be doing method number 1. I gave you guys break right now. And method number 1, we will be doing method number 2 right now. Same story, but we will be doing method number 2. So let me rub this. Or you know what? Let me do it here itself. What is the question? 8 plus x root 2. The question was, now we are doing method number 2. Method number 2. Method 2. Okay. So what was it? 8 plus 8x plus what root 2? x root 12 equals to 8 by root 3. The way to do, I'll pause the recording. Sorry, again, I had to go for a walk. Okay, now listen. This is method number 2. Method number 2 is you can multiply top and bottom with root 3. Basically, this is what we call as rationalization. This is what we call as rationalization. So what you can do is, by the way, there is no 8x over here. I made a mistake. There is 8x. Huh? 8x. This is 8x, yeah? This is 8x. Okay, fine. Now, we can multiply top and bottom with root 3, right? Now, if we do 8 plus x root 12 is equal to 8 root 3. Basically, wait, let me just made a mistake. 8x root 3. Okay. Now, this is there. This is there. Okay. Then divide by 3. Again, just like before, can I cross multiply this over here? Yeah, this looks a bit complicated, but like it's my duty to show both the methods. You can choose whichever you want. Here it is 12 is equal to 8x root 3. This you understood. Yes, 3 here also the 3 will get multiplied. Okay, 3 at the what? 24 plus 3x into 2 root 3. What is root 12? Check in your calculator. What is root 12? 2 root 3. Okay, is equal to 8x root 3. Okay. Now, 24 plus 6x root 3 is equal to key 8x root 3. Now, bring this on the other side. 24 equals to 8x root 3 minus 6x root 3. What is it going to be? 2x root 3. So 24 is equal to 2x root 3. Now, if you do this, 2 ones are 2, 12 2s are 24. Yes? So it's going to be 12 divided by root 3 is equal to what? X. You'll multiply bottom again with root 3. You'll multiply top also with root 3. So it's going to be 12 root 3 divided by 3. Again, 3 4s are 4 root 3 0. Now, this one is much more tougher. If you saw method 1, by the way, you guys were not there. I did 2 methods over. This is method number 1, where I just cross multiplied that root 3 on the other side. So, okay, in that case, I got answered very easily for root 3. And this is method number 2, where what I'm doing in method number 2, I'm rationalizing the whole thing. So it's your choice, whichever you want to choose over here. So anyway, if I want you guys to copy, I mean, write it down and learn, do method number 1. I'll pause the recording. Resume recording. So let's start doing this. See, listen. The first thing that most of you people get confused here is this. Look, y equals to 1 by 64 x cube actually means x cube divided by 64. Is this understood? This is the first thing that you need to understand. Do you understand this? Do you realize this now? Now then they said y raised to 1 by 3. What did they say in A part? Y cube root of y, basically. It means what? Cube root of y. Okay, so what does it mean? It means you're going to do x cube divided by 64. Whole thing is going to be what? Cube. 1 by 3. If you open the bracket, it's going to be 3 into 1 by 3. Divided by. Now 64. What cube is 64 from calculators? Can you find? 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. What cube is 64? Why? Because I told you, always the denominator in the power is the hint. 4 cube. So can I write 4 cube into 1 by 3 here? Sorry. Can I write 4 cube multiplied by 1 by 3? Can I do that? Right? Now, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What are you left with? X. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What are you left with? 4. So first one answer is x by 4. Or it can be written in the form of 1 by 4 what? X. That x is the numerator. Remember that. What doubt do you have? Huh? In the form of kx and k x raised to n. K is 1 by 4, n is 1. No, you cannot write minus. Why will you write minus 4? Okay, okay. You have to write 4 raised to minus 1, not minus 4. The overall sign does not change. The power sign changes. Okay. Still, we never write it like that. We never take constant like, oh, sorry. We never take constant like that. Anyway, okay. Everybody understood? K x raised to n. N is how much? 1. What is K? 1 by 4. Clear? Now let's go to the next one. 4y raised to minus 1. Okay. So B part. What they said? 4 y raised to minus 1. Let me take 4 as it is. Y raised to minus 1. Now, let there be x cube and let there be what? 64. Raised to what? Minus 1, right? 4y. This is y, yes? Raised to minus 1. If you open the bracket, it's going to be 4 x raised to minus 3 divided by 64 raised to minus 1. Sorry, not minus 3, my bad. Yeah, minus 3, minus 3. Now, can I, since both are negative, can I shift numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator over here? Can I 4 into 64? Basically, this is coming up and x cube is coming key down. Denominator, x cube. What is 4 into 64 in your calculator? 2. 256 divided by x cube is your online. Is this understood? I think they gave less marks over there. Tell me what. Ask. What doubt do you have? Tell me. Here, from which part you did not understand? First, second, third. Okay, anyway, then I don't have anything. Yeah, that also possible. So what Tanvi is like, Bhaiya, I will come to it. 256 x raised to minus 3. This is your k and this is your n. Ken. Okay, let's continue. You got my reference. I'll pause the recording now. Right now. Okay, so somebody said they have doubt in the question number 16. I'll be doing it right now. Stop talking. Okay. Look over here, guys. Look over here, look over here, look over here. Yeah. Question number 16. Somebody has doubt over here. That's why I'm doing it again. 5 divided by root 75 minus root 50. So what is the first rule? It's a rationalization. You multiply top and bottom with root 75 plus root 50. Also top as well. Root 75 plus root 50. Close bracket, right? Then what you're going to do is, let's talk about the division part first of all. You see, you know very well this looks like a square, a minus b, a plus b. So it's going to be root 75 whole square plus, what is it, minus root 50 whole square. Because this looks like what? A minus b, a plus b. You guys know what it is. Then let's open this bracket. 5 root 75 plus 5 root 50. Now, there is a manual way to do this and there is an automatic. Manual is you just divide them each part separately, or you can just put them in your calculator. That is completely up to you. I do it manual most of the time, so let's do that. Can we do 5 root 75? What can we make it into square or anything like that? What can we make it? 5 square is 25, yeah? 25 into 3. Can we write 25 into 3 for 75? Plus 25 multiplied by 2. Correct? Divided by 75 minus 50. Faham, you understood all 3 steps over here? Faham, please write yes, no. Yes. So now, after this, what is it? 25, yes? Root of 25 is 5. 5 5s are what? 25. Root 3. Plus, root of 5 is 5. 25 is 5. 5 5s are what? 25. Root 2. Divide by 75 minus 50 is what? 25. If you take 25 common, don't you think this 3 will get cancelled? So you're left with root 3 plus root 2 over here. Is that understood? Paham? I'll pause the recording. Please let me know if you want. Okay, so this sum is over. Everyone understood. Let's start doing question number 18, which I gave you guys. Now, question number 18, I can do it here itself. It's very easy. Remember one thing properly whenever they use the word completely. Whenever they do this, use the word complete, it means they have some sort of a minus b, a plus b in it. Only a square minus b square. So, can I take x common? Can I take x common? I'm left with 1 minus 64 x square. Yes or no? Can I do this? Okay. Then, can I write after that equal to? I can keep my x as it is. Can I write here 1 square minus 8 square x square? You guys did the same? You guys did the same? Did you guys do? Anyone did this by the way? 64 is 8 square. X square is x square only. So that means, look. Does it look like 1 square minus 8x whole square? Yes or no? Tell me. So, can you write x 1 minus 8x and key 1 plus 8x? Could you do this? Do you understand what? Whenever they use the word completely, the word factorize completely, and they give you very small sum as like that, it means there should be some sort of a square minus b square concept. And 64 you know is 8 square, and x square is already given to you. Mir, Naira, Faham, this thing, Omar, everyone. Do you understood? Did you guys understand this? Please let me know. I'm pausing the recording.